Hello everyone, welcome back API School. And today we go to study new about the multi-lines. Before we study about the copy, VRS, and then we go to know about the multi-line. Very important for engineer or architecture or MEPs that you want to draw out this plan. About the multi-line, what is a multi-line? Multi-line is a command the one for draw and the pair line. Yes. It means that the two lines when we drawing the line is for drawing about the condo, villa, etc. that you want to draw that pair line is. Multi-line and scale as it means that the scale and gap means between, yes, between one to click the first point of contrast. Yes. And now go to AutoCAD. When we drawing AutoCAD, I tell you about before about the UN enter. Okay, UN enter. You choose the millimeter or my okay 2 millimeter, and then you can choose the 0.00. Okay, multi-line, yes. I'll enter. We can know about can see about the justification scale style, yes. And we can click here, click, yes. Okay, click, you can see this one that you want to draw. If you want to put the length or a gap or scale, you can type as. It means that I type ML enter. We type as enter. Put the as. Put the scale. Where scale, yes. 200 millimeters enter. And we can the first point, yes, click point. You cannot see line the pair line, yes, because our computer is small, yes, in the screen. Before when we draw, we can put the line through, yes. It's simple. Put the line this one 100 millimeters. You can see this small like this. Okay, ML again. ML enter. Click, yes. You can see two pair lines. We can put the length, yeah, the length 500 millimeters. Enter. Can move about the 2000, move less 300, and you can click that you want to need, yes, space enter space break command, yes. And you can see H Y in follow. Before I tell you about already about this Y, you can go to display use as the origin, yes. And then we can about the study about the multi-line, put the justification, yes, justification. ML enter. Put the scale, yes, scale, and 200 enter, and we can choose justification. Yes, we can see about the top 0 bottom, top 0 bottom, yes. Top 0 bottom. Then we choose the top like this. And if you choose the 0 like this, if you choose the bottom like this. Yes, like this. Okay, you can see line. Ear top, 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 and then zero, zero. It means center. Yes. Bottom like this. Okay, you can see the line. Yes. Mouse below or bottom. Yes. Okay, multi-line style. You can study about multi-line style. Multi-line style we can see about the when we tie about the ML style. Yes, it's important like this. Yes, we can you can trim or trim the follow the me multi-line. Yes, it's important multi-line style ML style. Yeah, you can choose. Oh, sorry, ML edit some. Sorry, edit you can choose edit and we choose about the one you want to click like this. 1 2 yes 1 2. If you want to trim, you can choose about the style again. I'm edit again. I'm edit again. Like this. You can click, yes, click, click. Oh, already. Okay, like this. It's a multi-line style, yes. And spline, it means that for the cars, yes, for the car objects or picture or the statues that you want to draw. Example, I go to a duster. You can put the tie the SPR in tab, click 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Okay, then click 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can choose about the SPR in tab. We can choose the method. Yes. Method is very important when we click. And we choose the CV. Yeah, CV it means easy for you to click or cars on object. Yes. Like this, yes. If I go to format to the raster, yes. Insert the raster. Go to check or to the Google open list. You type one the true dimension, yes, like this, and you can scale. You can scale like choose, and we can put the SPL enter. You can cast color on here. Yes. Okay, you can choose like this. Okay. Either you can car like this. Yes, and go to continue about the and copy. Yes, and copy mean that the for you copy for file array, file array. Yes, for array mean that the when we choose the new page and I have the file erase, you can go to erase, type erase. Okay, you can go to AutoCAD and type DWG. You choose AutoCAD that you want. Okay, like this. Okay, set in the yes, you can see like this erase PyCap, yes, but we cannot copy. We cannot copy. We cannot. But when we type the and copy, yes, there's like okay, like this. We can copy, yes, like this. Okay, can copy. Okay, like this. Okay, but we can go to about okay, I choose the parameter. Okay, it's to express feature. Oh, sorry. Please. Yeah, this yes. Internal reference. You can edit or you can open the new like this. Yes. Again. Edit. The different. Okay. Yes. Okay, and then you go to clip or remove. Clip boundary. It means that we can. It means that the one to detail example polygon like this. Yeah. We can clip, can carry yes, clip needs like this. We can easy for you when we want to detail a plan. Yes, plan you can clip carry this clip. You can carry yes or take yes like this. Is file array for and copy, yes, and copy. And delete application easy for easy like this. I'm all already, yes, mirror. Okay, this video is already, and thank you for your watching this video.